So when we look at the scientific method and the series of steps, we can go through a process. So it's a kind of way to think, really. And the first thing scientists do when they're looking at the world is they ask a question. I wonder why that's like that, or can we find out more about that, or why does that happen? And then the next thing they do is they do a bit of research, because some other people in the world might have already found out the reasons why something works or how something works. So it's important to find out more about the area of study you're interested in. And then if they are seeking the answer to a question, they then construct a hypothesis. So a hypothesis is an educated guess. So it's, I think that the sun is the color kind of yellowy orange because it's really just a ball of fiery gas. A hypothesis is just making an educated guess. But then once they've had a thought about a question and they've got a hypothesis, they've got to test it. And they test it by doing experiments. And when they've done the experiments, they have to collect the data, they have to analyze the data, really think about what they've found out. And then they'll find out, well, my hypothesis is true, the sun is a ball of gas, or it's false. Pretty sure that one's true. Either way, it doesn't matter if it's false or true, you will have found something out. If you've done an experiment, if you've done an experiment that no one's ever done before, you will have contributed to human knowledge. And you'll then have to report your results. You'll have to tell the world about what you found out. Importantly, if your hypothesis was false and you still want to know the answers to the questions about the world around us, the questions about everything, it's really important to keep thinking and try again and really push the human race forward. So that's the scientific method. It starts with the question, a hypothesis is a really important part of it, and then experiments, and then reporting the results.